name is Lou Phillips. I'm the director of Valerius Gallery. And today we are standing in front of this beautiful sculpture by Stefan Rink that is part of the sculpture trail for Luxembourg Art Week. And the sculpture is called It Owl. It's a 7-ton sculpture. It's made out of 2 pieces, out of limestone. And it actually represents kind of this comic world in close collaboration with the ancient myth. So also with the traditional ancient methods of carving and making sculptures in the past. The sculpture trail is in the city because of Luxembourg Art Week, because of the 10th edition. The organizers thought about something special they could do to integrate sculptures into the city landscape, and they chose really the spots that are most frequented by visitors. It's actually really just because of the fair, because it's always a lot going on around that period, a lot of art.